morning student. This video for class 9 students. Today our topic is row and column based problems. So we have to take the question number 24 for this part. So question number 24, if you see the question number 24, it is written, the student of class are made to stand in a rows if one student is extra. Means in rows and columns the students are standing over there, and if we assume that number of rows will be x, and number of student in each row is y, then definitely the total number of student is x into y, because in one row we have y student and total rows we have x, so x into y is the total number of student in a class. Okay, xy. So we have to find basically x into y, the value of x into value of y. So two cases are given. In the first case, what they have given, it is given that if you are going to increase one of the student in each row, means if each row the number of students is one more, then definitely the rows will be two less. So the product is basically xy, because students are same students, we are making a different arrangement. What we are doing, हम अगर एक रो में जो बच्चे खड़े हैं उसको एक बढ़ा दें, वन बढ़ा दें, और तो नंबर ऑफ रोज जो हो जाएंगी वो दो कम हो जाएंगी, तो इसलिए उन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो बेसिकली एक्स वाई के इक्वली होगा, क्योंकि वही स्टूडेंट है जिसको हमने अरेंज किया हुआ है. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, x माइनस टू वाई इक्वल टू टू. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर वन. इन केस नंबर सेकेंड ही इज सेइंग दैट कि अगर मैं एक रो में जो बच्चे खड़े हैं उसमें से एक कम कर दूं, तो जो हमारी रोज हो जाएंगी वो बेसिकली थ्री बढ़ जाएंगी, तीन बढ़ जाएंगी. ठीक है, तीन बढ़ जाएंगे, क्योंकि एक बच्चा कम करोगे तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट एक्स्ट्रा हो जाएंगे, तो इसलिए हमें रो बनानी पड़ेगी, तो तीन रो एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ानी पड़ रही है. सो एक्स प्लस थ्री इंटू वाई माइनस वन इक्वल टू एक्स वाई अगेन हियर, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर सेम. So here if you multiply you get x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 2. So student, we have to solve equation number 1 and equation number 2. हमारे तीन मेथड्स हैं, उन तीनों मेथड्स में से हम कोई भी मेथड इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट एलिमिनेशन मेथड इज द बेस्ट मेथड, बिकॉज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स इज हियर एंड हियर सेम. सो एलिमिनेशन मेथड ही अप्लाई करते हैं. साइन चेंज कर दिए, साइन चेंज करके कैंसिल हो गया, तो यहाँ पर थ्री माइनस थ्री वाई था तो प्लस थ्री वाई बन गया, यहाँ प्लस माइनस थ्री प्लस थ्री बन गया, थ्री वाई में से टू वाई गया तो वाई आ गया, और थ्री प्लस टू फाइव हो गया. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन ईच रो इट इज़ गिवन 5. नाउ if you are going to put this value in equation number 1, you are going to get 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 plus 2 12, so x is equal to 12 is the total number of students. 12 is the total number of rows basically, and y is the total number of student in each row. So we are interested about the total number of student in each row. So it is 12, total number of student in a class. So 12 into 5, that is x into y. So 12 into 5, it is 60. So 16 is the total number of student in a class. So this is the complete question. So you have to formulate like this. Only one question they have given in this regarding this case. So let's see what if we are finding one more question in example, you will do it. Now students, see one more type here, time and work based type. Here we are taking question number 26. In question number 26 basically they have given hint, but the questions we are doing in different way. It is given A and B can do the work in 15 days. A's one day work is 1.5 times the one day work of B. Find how many days can each do the work. So here what we have done, A can do the work in x days, we have assumed. B can do the work in y days, means if you get the value of x and y, that is our answer. So A's one day work, if you are finding, it is 1 upon x. B's one day work is 1 upon y. So accordingly A's one day work plus B's one day work is basically 1 upon 15. So 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 15. This is equation number 1. Now he has given that A's one day work is 1.5, that is 3 by 2 times of B's one day work, that I have written here. I shifted this 2 in left side, so 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equal to 0. That is equation number 1 and 2. Now I want to use the elimination method to simplify it, so I multiply this equation by 3. So it is 3 upon y, 3 upon x and 3 upon 15. it has here, and second equation as it is I have copied. So I got 5 upon x is equal to 3 by 15. So here we are getting x is equal to 25. So if I will put this value in equation number 1, so in this equation 1 upon 25 plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon y equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 25. By taking LCM, 75 is the LCM. So it will be 37, 75 by 2, and that is 37 and a half days. So 37 and a half days B will take, and 25 day will be taken by A. So this is the complete solution for this question. So use this concept and try to do the questions which I will assign you in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.